well, there's the name Acer. Sorry if it's upside down. Anyways, we're just gonna keep this out. I've done a little bit of the hardware unboxing. I'm gonna just drop this out. So here we have our charging cable, which we will open up. And we have our charging connectors. And now we can take out the actual computer. So I'm gonna just pull this out. Let me. Okay, so here's the computer. We're gonna take off some foam on the sides. Then let's see. We have this nice cloth material. We have an instruction manual. We have the quick guide, setup guide, and we have an elite support thing. Okay, now for the unveiling. So now we're gonna open it. We're gonna take off this cloth. Oh man, here it is. It's looking quite nice in that shale black color. This is specifically the Core i5 8th generation Core i5, 8 gigabytes of RAM. We have NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics, and a backlit keyboard. So this is pretty nice. We just gotta take this off. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Actually, no, I got it off. Oh man, look at that. So we got Acer written in black, if you want to see. And then we have a Nitro written on here, because this is the Nitro 5. Very nice. So, let's open it up. Look at this machine. And of course there's some Energy Star label. We're gonna fold this and keep it to the side. Oh man, look at WASD with the rubber sides. Okay, let's see if this has any power. What is Dolby Audio? Okay, I will plug this in and get to you once.
Sent to the United States. Is that right?
Okay, so this part we're gonna do by ourselves, but I'll show you some of the parts of the setup. Okay, so here's the license agreement. So what we're gonna do is click accept. And here to type in my account. So
type your email address or phone number.
Setup, and we are gonna be, you know, waiting for it to finish up. Anyways, this is a DDR4 fast data transit. It is Acer Nitro Sense or whatever, Cool Boost technology, True Harmony, IPS panel, so wide viewing angle, and it has ultra fast Wi-Fi speeds. Well, I'm guessing it does, because I don't know yet, but it is Dolby Audio. You get to type every once in a while, or the backlit will turn off. And actually, when you buy this, you get like a free Fortnite 2000 V-Bucks thing, which I will be redeeming later. Anyways, I will pick up the camera once this is loaded up. It looks like when you first boot it up. So you get like Microsoft Edge and stuff. And the trackpad's really nice. So we're gonna get out of this. And what's this? I actually want to check this out. I think this is NVIDIA or NVIDIA. Oh no, that's Nitro Sense. I see. Okay. I'm gonna see if we instantly have NVIDIA control panel. NVIDIA. I think we have this pre-downloaded. By the way, pretty cool background, isn't it? Okay, I'm not sure if we have NVIDIA. Let's see, NVIDIA control panel. Oh, here we have GeForce Experience. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do this later. Right now, we are going to, wait. So guys, we're going to be doing a benchmark test on this new laptop for Fortnite, because why not? Jeez, you guys want Fortnite really bad, so we're going to do it. Okay, I feel like an idiot now for saying that. Anyway, so I have my shout-outs from last time. You remember that guy who said, "Wow, this is amazing." Yeah, we're going to be playing Fortnite with him. So props to him. Thanks for being in my video. By the way, there's another person that wasn't on the last video. He's right here. He's saying hi.
Hi.
Okay, yeah, for real though. It's almost done updating. It's verifying. And I also got like this 2,000 V-Bucks thingy-mabobber. But I seem like I'm a grandma because I can't get it to work. So whatever. I'm probably going to make it work, but whatever. Anyways, I will see you on Fortnite. This is squads on Fortnite.
Are you kidding me?
This is squads on Fortnite.
Hey guys, there's a fake noob. Two of them, because 2 people have a win here. Okay guys, there's like 200.
So right now we're working on 70 to 60 and sometimes 50 FPS. But that's pretty good. We're running on high settings.
Come on.
And keep in mind, this is an i5. So I'm just going to leave you with some gameplay here.
Oh no, they're behind me.
Nice, 90.
No, you should have switched to your shotgun mod.
Because they're not streamers. But thank you so much for playing Fortnite for our benchmark video. And I will get back to you guys in a week with the review of this computer. Thank you all for watching. And make sure to subscribe to TN21, Cupstacky and more. And yeah, have a good day. See ya.